that, we shift our attention now. The Republic Day celebrations in India ended with the beating retreat ceremony last evening. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and other union ministers were in attendance. However, both the leaders of opposition, Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi, were missing from the crucial ceremony. Sources told Times Now that both the leaders were invited but did not attend the event. Kharge and Rahul Gandhi instead held meetings with the party leaders from Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh last evening. But remember, this is not the first time that Rahul Gandhi has been found missing from important events. Often it has been mentioned by the BJP that several important occasions have been skipped by Rahul Gandhi. So first is, of course, the beating retreat ceremony that he skipped. But previously as well, the BJP has criticized him on multiple occasions, going on to say that he missed very important occasions. Very recently, you'd also remember the Chief Justice of India's oath-taking ceremony as well was skipped by Rahul Gandhi, with the BJP going on to say that he is not a serious politician. Previously, before that, in September as well, he had skipped the Vice President's swearing-in ceremony as well, again being pointed out by the BJP. And in the Independence Day celebrations at the Red Fort as well, while there were multiple opposition leaders, Rahul Gandhi was not part of that event. So we saw that in the Independence Day celebrations in 2025 as well, where Rahul Gandhi was not present. And it's not just Rahul Gandhi, but also Mallikarjun Kharge, who was not a part of this event. These are some of the questions that have been raised by the BJP time and again. And remember, the Congress party had also claimed breach of protocol when Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge were seated in the third row during the Republic Day celebrations. They accused the government of breaking the long-standing political tradition of showing respect to the leader of opposition. But despite the invite, they chose to skip beating the retreat ceremony. So doesn't this amount to disrespect of tradition? The BJP has now hit out at the two leaders of opposition, specifically Rahul Gandhi, highlighting how he has missed several important events, including the oath-taking ceremonies of the Chief Justice of India, Surya Kant, and that of the Vice President, C.P. Radhakrishnan, accusing Rahul Gandhi of insulting army and the Constitution.
सेना का अपमान, संविधान का अपमान, यही राहुल गांधी कांग्रेस पार्टी की पहचान। आज बीटिंग रिट्रीट सेरेमनी था। ये महत्वपूर्ण सेरेमनी है। सेना वहां पर उपस्थित रहती है, सभी सेना प्रमुख उपस्थित रहते हैं, प्रधानमंत्री, राष्ट्रपति, उपराष्ट्रपति, सभी संविधान के जो इंपॉर्टेंट पोजीशन होल्डर्स वो रहते हैं। पर एलओपी ने आज बंक कर दिया। राहुल गांधी, खड़गे जी दोनों ने बंक किया। ऐसा क्यों होता है? ये इसलिए होता है क्योंकि संविधान और सेना का सम्मान नहीं करते। ये दिखाते हैं कि उनको चिंता है प्रोटोकॉल की, परंतु जब उनको इनवाइट किया जाता है वीपी ओथ के लिए, वो नहीं जाते। जब सीजीआई ओथ के लिए बुलाया जाता है, वो नहीं जाते। केवल और केवल वो ड्रामा करते हैं और उनको लगता है कि देश का लोकतंत्र उनके परिवार तंत्र के नीचे है। इसीलिए उनको लगता है कि देश के इस महत्वपूर्ण कार्यक्रम में उनको शामिल नहीं होना चाहिए।
My colleague Kritika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Kritika, any reason being cited by the Congress leaders for skipping this event?
Well, Pratibha, what we know is that both leaders of opposition were having, in fact, internal Congress party meetings with leaders from Chhattisgarh as well as Rajasthan till a late evening, but no official response to their absence has, in fact, been issued so far. Remember, the BJP is calling their absence a bunk and, in fact, a repeated breach of constitutional presence, as they were, as many BJP leaders are also pointing out, of the repeated absence, whether it is during the oath-taking ceremony of the Chief Justice of India, the Vice President, or even during last year's Independence Day celebrations at the Red Fort. This, the BJP says, is a continuous, in fact, is a continuation in their breach of disrespect, in their, in fact, show of disrespect towards the army. They've also called it Sena Virodhi as well. Many BJP leaders taking to the social media platform X as well have noted their absence and have said that this is, in fact, a deliberate attempt to lower the dignity of Indian constitution as well, pointing out that it is, in fact, a very important and a patriotic ceremony that brings to closure the Republic Day celebrations and to not be present in such at such an event, specifically after so much hue and cry is raised about the seating protocol on the day of the Republic Day, is something that the BJP is currently targeting Congress party over. But as far as any official confirmation is concerned, so far they haven't responded officially to their reported absence.
Okay, all right. Recently, when the ceremony was attended, then the Congress leaders said that there was something wrong with the protocol. The protocol was not followed. And now, in the Beating the Retreat ceremony, the leaders were not present. Kritika, thank you for joining us with those details.